How to claim voucher code in Binance. And first things first, all you have to do is to verify and make sure that your Binance account is fully verified. So the account that I'm currently using right now is actually a test account or a demo account. And you also have to make sure that the current Binance application you're running is the latest version. Head out to your Google Play Store or wherever you have downloaded the app and ensure that it is updated. Now, claiming your voucher code on Binance is very easy. All you have to do is access the app, and at the top left portion of your screen, you should be able to see the Binance logo. Tap on that, and then go to Rewards Hub. Then in here, just go to My Vouchers, and you should be able to see this option here that says Redeem Voucher Code. Now what you want to do is just to simply hit on Voucher Code, and this is where you'll have to input your voucher code. So each voucher code can only be claimed once per user. Once it is claimed, the reward cannot be reversed. And that's basically it. That's how you claim voucher code in Binance.